Hey guys, good morning, good evening. This is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, this is going to very a quick video and this is a tips or you can say it's a kind of the interview questions. Okay, so the interview asks you to create a view, drag the customer name into the column and subcategory in the row. Once you drag that and he wants the cell should be into the text. Okay, once you like develop this kind of the view, you can see we have the sales and some blank is also there. Now the interviewer wants, can you please fill that the uh, blank filled with the zero? Okay, how can we do this? Okay, and this is going to be the one single query or single kind of the calculations. Okay, so some of the you can say like grab this Zn function and it will work, but it will not work. Okay, you need to think about like more out it. Okay, more from the Zn function because Zn function will work. You need to think about the other function as well as. Okay, so instead of so let's say instead of wrapping in the Zn function, you need to say look up sum of sales. Okay, now wrap this in Zn function. Now see, it will work. Okay. It will fill all the blank spaces with the zeros. Okay. You can write new calculation or you can add a calculation with the text. It's up to you. How can you build it? Okay. So this is how you can quickly build it without creating any kind of the calculation. Just add a calculation, just double click on that calculation and just write your calculation over here. So you can get your desired result. Okay. So thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe this channel.